Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy, and welcome to Mount Terrace at the entrance to Hawaii Kai. This building has 14 floors, 126 units, all 2 bedrooms, 3 different layouts. Built in 1974, it was really the ultimate of luxury. There's so many amenities, all in another acre next to us. But what it was really known for was the porte-cochere and a doorman. Right now, they have just been through a big renovation of windows. That's completed. It was about $100,000 per unit, but that is done. So what's going on with real estate now? Well, right now there is one on the market. It's $850,000. Generally speaking, they run between $650,000 and $1.1 million because they're all different views. Some have gorgeous ocean views, some have okay ocean views, and some have wonderful mountain views. If there's anything you want to know, always give us a call, 808-358-8828, hawaiishome.com, or reach out on social media. As always, we love to hear from you. Aloha.